Hi, Chef Sean from DC Chefs Giving Back. We're going to show you the bowl we're making for Feed the Fridge. If you guys aren't familiar with Feed the Fridge, it's an organization that is helping with food insecurity and also helping our favorite restaurants stay open. So if you're interested in checking that out, they have a GoFundMe, Feed the Fridge, and also Facebook and a website. So go check it out and see what you think. If it's something you feel like you could contribute to, I would suggest it. It helps us as well with homeless shelters and the veterans that we're feeding. So it's a great cause. Definitely something to check out. So we're going to start with our blackening seasoning. Okay, so we have dark chili powder, 2 tablespoons. All right, smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons. Salt, 2 tablespoons. Black fresh cracked pepper, 2 tablespoons. Regular paprika, 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder, 2 tablespoons. Onion powder, 2 tablespoons. Chili powder, this is light chili powder, that's 2 tablespoons. And our house Cajun seasoning, which has some secret ingredients to it, we do 2 tablespoons. So we just mix that up, and it makes for a really nice spice that has a lot of flavor to it and helps blacken the chicken. Now when we say blacken chicken, we mean blacken. So you want to sear it to the point where it's black. So that's it all mixed up. Then we're going to do our black bean salsa, which is 1 cup of red onion, finely diced. Small diced tomatoes, 1 cup. Green bell peppers, 1 cup. 2 cups of corn. And 2 cups of black beans. Now, this is a cilantro paste, so I like to have cilantro at the house, but the problem with cilantro is it doesn't hold up very well. So what I do is I puree it up with a little bit of neutral oil, something like salad oil, canola, whatever you want. So I puree it, and then it lasts in my fridge for a couple weeks, and this is a tablespoon of that. Okay. Then we have some garlic, that's 2 teaspoons, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin, light chili pepper, 1 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Okay. Then we take a lime and we get all the juice from it, 1 lime's worth. Now this is best to do the day before you want to serve it, and you let it sit in the fridge overnight, and all the flavors really soak into the beans and the corn, so you have a more flavorful salsa. Yeah, you can do a day of, it's still very good, but if you do it the day before, you definitely get a much better product. So we just mix that up. Especially with the fresh garlic and the cilantro, it really needs a day to really soak in there. All right. Beautiful. So there you go. With a nice sauce This is actually going to provide flavor. We're not even going to use a vinaigrette for this salad because all the flavor from the black beans and the sour cream, which we're about to make. So we take 1 pint of sour cream. Another tablespoon of the cilantro paste we talked about earlier. Now when I do the cilantro paste, I use all the stems and everything as well because the stems have a ton of flavor which most people don't use, which is unfortunate. Now, then I'm going to use my microplane to zest the lime. You don't want to get any of the white part of the lime, you only want the green. So don't overdo it with the zesting. You really only want the green part. The white part is a bit bitter, so you really don't want that. So this is zest of 1 lime. And then we'll also use the juice. So this is a cilantro lime sour cream. It will serve as a dressing for this purpose. Got a little bit outside the bowl. It's alright though. So you see it loosens up the sour cream a bit. And there we go. Alright.